PG holder and a doctorate in renewable energy, but still pronouncing it itself I felt sometimes difficult. So many specialties, so many varieties of cases they deal, but you might not have heard a soldier and doctor combination. Now you are going to hear. Give a big hand to Dr. Vikshapati garu. With due admiration I call him.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And special salute definitely to teachers. Probably madam might be teacher, these teachers to all. Teachers of teacher. And yes, we are sitting in the almost a Kalam hall. So I must salute to Dr. Abdul Kalam. And humanity sitting inside each doctor. Dear colleagues, I am Lieutenant Colonel Vikshapati, yes, playing a dual role with a soldier. Wherever soldier goes, I go. And yes, as a doctor. As a soldier also, I did lot of solidarity when I was a captain in 1999-2000. Apart from that, solidarity means everybody knows. We are sitting here peacefully. It is due to contribution of my soldiers. Recently, I was at Srinagar. It was a close observation of Article 370, how it was lifted. Why and how it is connected to all of you on this Article 370 and COVID and Dr. Murthy. My dear friends, any country expects some sort of contribution when country is giving everything to us. In 1999, I was commissioned. Bit introduction about me, myself. I am from village that is Bomera, which is district of Jangaon. I had studied my MBBS from Siddhartha Medical College, did my internship at Osmania, and I did my MD medicine from Delhi University, Army Hospital R&R. Since last around 23, 24 years, I am with Army. And the toughest acts till date, I contributed. Across the LC, across the IB, and also participated in United Nations almost for 2 years in South Africa. This is my short introduction. Regarding, again, we'll go back to Article 370 and contribution. See, when country gives everything to us, according our capabilities, according our teachers' capabilities, somebody is becoming engineer, somebody is becoming doctor, so and so. So definitely, sometimes country is also expecting something from us. That is what contribution. Article 370, before and after. In 99, I was posted at Kupwada, something called, I can say it is supposed to be around 500 meter distance vicinity from the Pakistan. Those days, situation was terrific, honestly. If the situation could have remained same, probably this much of peace, this much of luxury, probably we could not expect. Entire night it was Diwali. And eyewitness, I was seeing this thing, terrorists were running, troops running behind. And sometimes if we want some water in village side, why I'm telling you, there is a reason, you'll understand. They completely dead against to the Indian army. The people used to say Indian army, Hindustani army. So that was the situation. Every day it was the bloodshed. Every day I used to receive hundreds of, sometimes yes, maximum casualties I received around 20 plus, all types. Srinagar, 920 base hospital, if happened to, it's lucky if some doctor volunteer if the Indian government or this thing, government accepts to work. It is one of the gift I'm telling. There is some board we kept, Srinagar, 92 base hospital. These all retrieved bullets from our soldiers. My dear friends, this is not bullets. It is not a body. See, everybody is working. My job is definitely different. When I was commissioned, when my soldier has been recruited, we put a signature, I am ready to die in air, water, sky. This is what. So those are the bullets, yes. And there is one more place in Srinagar. There we give salute to bodies and we send, if possible, to their parents. Anyhow, that type of situation, it was a horrible, terrific situation. One day, Aparakana was activated. We revised our will. So, all will. So if something happens to us, to me, so bit contribution, bit whatever the amount should go to my wife and mother. Only two we remember, rest we don't remember. So even Aparakram also, we were mentally prepared. Why I'm telling we is, maybe I'm a doctor, but definitely we sleep with AK-47, with full of magazine. Anytime I supposed to go any place, and I went also. I enjoyed my tenure. With minus 50 temperature, 56 temperature, all beauty of country, from this thing, Kashmir to beyond Kanyakumari, Andaman and Lakshadweep also. I enjoyed all the culture, all the environment. So that was a situation with contribution of, definitely I can say, people like Vikram Sarabhai, people like, yes, Dr. Abdul Kalam. It's a spectacular, I'm telling, wonderful, unimaginable changes. Those LC in 99, again I happened to work the same place in 2017. It was no words to say. Now you people can enjoy the trips. Yes, bit you might be listening. Maybe some fake. It's not 100% correct. Lot of peace has been established. When Article 370 was lifted, before that, every day we used to. One more thing you must all know. This is one hospital in the world where we work with bells. If it is one bell, 3 casualties. 2 bells, 5 casualties. 3 bells, we don't know. Entire hospital we stand outside. My dear friends, हिम्मत है तो बता दो आप लोग, कोई कभी पेशेंट के लिए खड़ा है हमने कभी रिसीव किया हमने? Until unless is supposed to be a VIP. This is what humanity wanted. This is what the definition of as a soldier, what is the definition of human? We wait outside. All the critical care team, all blood components, everything. We almost half of the surgery, half of this rehabilitation and resuscitation will be done within 30 minutes. So anyhow, that was the situation, completely changed. Post Article 370, 0 casualties. We used to receive that Pulwama, airstrike, surgical, I witnessed myself. That complete surgical trauma vanished. This is what contribution. This contribution, kaise mila humko? How we got this? It is not only one Prime Minister decision. It is not one soldier decision. It is all entire Indian population contribution, I can say. In the form of technology, in the form of decisions, in the form of discipline, in the form of protecting constitution and cooperating the government. So this is what contribution. This is what country expects. This is a big change. Big change. So this is a short introduction. This is what exactly army doing and what government is doing. It is one of the small example. I'm describing. We all intellectuals. We all must know. So second is yes, COVID yes, Mr. Murthy, as this thing said, how many people learned, how many people not learned. We people we don't, we didn't receive anything, any message, we ignore. I think that is a correct word. Highest, yes, I am now presently around 48 years. So since last 48 years, this is a big catastrophe we have seen. As a doctor, what I did, I can't say anything. Everybody is doing same thing we did. Around thousands of cases, yes. Dual play. Since in uniform I am not supposed to treat civilians, but when government permission given, so I have treated, joining with Seva Bharati, like organizations. So I have treated thousands of cases with least mortality. But my dear colleagues, what COVID taught to us, in my experience, it was a litmus test for a humanity. Some people made money, created panic, and few people came forward. I can't say it's made money, that may be wrong word, but we indulge with, yes, in my opinion, when country in a trouble, when humanity in trouble, in Itihas, people used to say, Dharma in trouble, so Lord Vishnu used to come. So when humanity in trouble, yes, yes, as a soldier, we are doing, we will do. But when humanity, this is a different situation where intellectuals supposed to play, soldiers were doctors. It was a litmus test, definitely, yes. It might be, I can say, some sort of kickback, rectifying how the system was going. Yes, some fake, or we are living in a pseudo world. It's a pseudo development, it's a true development. If it is a true development, why the dead bodies were carried in JCB? It is a one lesson learning. We must give respect to humanity, yes, human life. So the role comes, yes, primarily doctor, and rest, it may be administrative. So before to conclude, I must share one event. Definitely it was touched to my heart as a soldier. I was in uniform recently, going out, and asked a youth, please tell me, whether this shop vendor is giving this thing, selling tea or not. That youngster, he was not listening. I called again. He was not. Then anyhow, I supposed to correct him. I corrected in my manner. Whatever did happen. Youth doing mistakes cannot be excused. Then the same path, I went bit ahead. That nice tea stall that some lady was selling. So I gave this thing money. In uniform, she came and saluted me. She said, it's a privilege to have tea with you. So please don't take any money. What is the difference? A youth, probably well-read and illiterate. This is the gaps. So humanity, yes, everywhere is humanity. If this fellow don't know how to respect a soldier, do you expect a respect he will look after his parents? Forget about the country. So anyhow, dear colleagues, I am not here to teach, I can't. I am here to share a bit my this thing as a solidarity experience and tough phases of COVID. And my request is, till last breath, our task is not over. As a doctor, as a human being. Not human being, true citizen of India. True citizen, we need a true citizen, not a citizen, true citizen. I have seen a terrific, lots of bombs, lots of shelling, thousands of lakhs of bullet firings. And we never worried, honestly. We re-revised our will. Even, of course, the latest revise was, my will was done in COVID time. So, big responsibility on our shoulders. Big responsibility on our heart, brain, physically, mentally. I am very, I'm honestly, I am privileged. I am proud and privileged to talk and address here. And such a great personality, Dr. Murthy Garu, who selected me and he selected all. A journalist, than criticism is appreciating our contribution. It is definitely, it's a honor to us. Thank you, sir. Good evening.
Please do subscribe Myra Media.
Please subscribe Myra Media.
Subscribe to Myra Media.
Please like, share and subscribe to Myra Media for lot of film news, gossips and hot news.
Please like, share and subscribe to Myra Media.
For more interesting updates, please subscribe to Myra Media YouTube channel. For more updates, please subscribe to Myra Media.
So like, share and subscribe to Myra Media.